Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove this window handle from MK3 Fiat Panda. Inside the handle you have a metal wire that you can see in the top of my nail. So all you need to do is like extract them from a plier with a plier, or I like to use a flat screwdriver, put it inside and push it towards. I'm going to show you now how to do it. I need to take the screw and put the wire. See, I need to put the wire closer to the door and wiggle it a bit, and that's it, it's out. You can see it. And now we just need to put it from the other side. Here you go, this is the wire you need to take out, and that's it. This is how you remove the window door handle. You can see that the wires hold the handle from here and here. So that's it. If you need more parts for MK3 Fiat Panda, please contact us with the email below. We ship worldwide. Thank you very much.